I think I'll sit this one out. El Destroyer, are you okay?
Oh yeah, you bet, boss.
Hey, invertebrates.
What the? How'd you guys escape the jail cell? Oh, I get it. It's because of Slith, isn't it? Hey, boss. There's only 2 of us, and there's 6 of them. What do you think we should do here?
El Destroyer, relax. I've got this covered. Come on out, troops. Damn. So the Tezuka Productions employee works for Takanshibu. That's shocking. What's worse is that there's 7 of them and only 6 of us. Hold on there, guys. Sorry I'm late, guys. Sure, no issue. Even if my anxiety gets the better of me. Anyways, time to rumble. Alright, guys. We really showed them something. And thank you very much, Clyde, for helping us out. No issue, guys.